from Punta Cana, Punta Cana, Punta Cana. Popped out. Yesterday I was too tired, but yeah. Today is the wedding. It is Friday the 26th. We are going to breakfast with my cousins. And then it's not supposed to rain until 3, so we're going to try to hit the beach.
Yeah.
Say something, Dada.
Yeah, hit the beach, have a good time. I'm ready to go. Y'all pray for us. Hopefully it doesn't rain.
But we're ready to have fun, turn up. Yesterday we was kind of like, because we was tired. But yeah. Today and the rest of our time, which is Friday, Saturday, Sunday, we are ready. So y'all stay tuned. We were not there. Oh, they got plantains. You know I love a good plantain. You know we love a good triangle hash brown. Bacon ain't. I know. Oh, excuse me. Yeah. Oh, they got boiled. I don't know. Corn. I like them. Waffles, pancakes. You always give me nothing new. But anyway, good morning.
What's up, people?
You can narrate. Go ahead.
All my Donovan fans out there. How y'all living in these streets? We out here in Punta Cana, Dominican Republic.
Excellent resort.
Somewhere. It's just one of our spots. I know we've been here once already, but we like to come back. We like to run that thing back.
We have not been here once. We've been here one day.
We've been to DR, okay? Just get with it.
Oh yeah, we have been to DR once.
See, this is one of our many spots we go to.
Ooh, they got like cushiony chairs. Let's go try to find one.
We gotta meet up with them first. All right, so we in here. I got the Presidente beer. Oh.
Sorry.
How y'all doing?
Go ahead.
Got the Presidente beer.
It's like
original.
9 o'clock, 10 o'clock in the morning.
Yes, but it was in our room.
Hey.
And it's free, so we're drinking it.
No, he's drinking it.
Y'all want to get my rating on this beer?
We don't.
Something new.
We don't really care.
They do care.
No.
When you come to DR, this is the type of beer you're gonna drink. All right, here we go.
We need to get a cabana. We need to get some cabanas.
4 out of 5.
Well, let's block some of the cabanas. All right, we gotta go and meet up with our family, and yeah, we got some cabanas we're about to block. I want to block the cabanas.
Can I try the Tanqueray and red orange?
Thank you. All right, we're on the beach, y'all. Damn, that's steep to get down there. Look.
Oh, damn. I didn't picture that.
That is steep. Yeah, that's steep as fuck. Look how steep this shit is.
good. Try it. That's kind of good. It tastes like vanilla. Oh my god.
I don't like it.
Your taste buds be
Why are
off.
you mad because I don't like it?
Your taste buds are
May I
off.
also
Show them what you got.
What you got? Coconut water?
Show the tube what you got.
Is that just plain coconut water?
Fresh coconut water. That is fresh.
Boo.
Don't even hush.
it's
You
good.
gotta say how that is. Don't judge. We don't judge around here.
Is it good?
Yeah. You don't like coconut water?
We got it when we went to Barbados.
Yeah, we did. It was like fresh. Like they had literally cut the coconut off, cut it open, stuck the straw in
I
it.
like a good fresh coconut water.
There's nothing wrong with coconut water.
Yeah, mix it up again.
I know. I don't know why he did that.
Extra shots.
We could have put it at the bottom, could have mixed it up. I'm sorry. Maybe he wanted to make sure we saw him put the lip. Somebody had that earlier.
You ever get stung by the bees? You ever get stung by the bees? Yes?
There's a lot of them. That's for sugar, yeah.
Hello, everybody. I'm drinking a Harvey Wallbanger. Vodka and orange juice. And there's something else in here, I think.
Oh, I gotta stop sending me messages.
Go. You need backup. You need backup. Yeah. That was good. I do. That's rude.
I was Mrs. Stafford Rodriguez.
At least you got Mrs.
I was like, and I didn't notice it. I don't know if I sent it to you on the snap. I was like, wait, that's a Mrs.
It's the kind of no.
Where are you then? I'm 40 years younger.
Oh.
What you drinking? Cranny Malibu?
Okay. Yo, we ordered. How much we ordered?
They left, but then when I went to the beach to meet them, she wasn't there.
Seven, tell them how much we ordered. What we ordered.
So we got 16 shots of tequila blanco, and we got 8 mango tangos. I don't know what's in it.
Why?
That
was something got an accent, but okay, whatever.
You know?
We'll let them have it.
Un poquito español. Muy bien, gracias.
I can't take it. And look at
Not random Spanish
I can't. And we got this nigga over here. Baby. Babe. Put it. Okay, is this 16 shots?
Yeah.
And how many mango tango?
7.
7. We're supposed to have 7 mango tango? That's okay, that's okay. Okay, who? Come get the mango tango. You want one? It's okay. You want one?
I got a mango.
Mango tango.
Sasha want one?
Maisha got one. Who else wanted a mango tango? She wanted one, young.
Give it to her.
No, I don't want one. I'm just here for the. I'm here for the shot. I'm here for the shot.
Get a shot. Okay.
Enjoy.
Not a shot. Let it go.
Shot. I'm ready. 1. Supposed to have 16. Who's 2? 2. Who's number 2? 2. Okay. Number 3. Shot. Number 3. Okay. Number 4. Number 4. Number 5. The tequila. Yep. Number 6. Number 7. Okay, 8. Oh, there's some more. One more. 9.
Oh no, they probably ran out of shots last night.
10. 11. 12. Where's some more, right? 12. 13. 13. Okay. 14. 14. Okay. 15. There's 2 left. 3 more. 15. Jonathan. Shot. One more. Jonathan. Come back.
Shante, shot.
Come back.
Shante, right there.
How much is left? 2?
Shante.
2, right?
Yeah, one left. Shante. Shante. I don't know where Beard went.
Here you go, sir.
Damn.
Thank you.
No, he's not. You fucking
Is that everybody? Is that everybody?
That's everybody. Luciano, I don't know what he's at, but I got Beard or it's a Luciano. Whatever, let's go.
Okay. Any more cups?
Here, one another round right here.
I gotta have a speech.
Seven. Speech.
Thank you guys for coming. It's a great time to be here.
Woo!
As I say it in the DR. Cheers to the wedding tonight, everybody.
Woo!
Let's do fucking already.
All right, cheers.
I got you. Ready?
Oh, God. Oh,
God damn. Come on, baby.
yeah. I'll stick to mixed drink.
Fuck no. Fuck no.
What kind of tequila was that anyway?
Blanco.
It's tequila, but I don't know what brand or anything.
Oh, Blanco's white.
Damn.
What even was
That was right. That was me too.
Rubber dog.
Thank you, sir.
It do taste like rubber alcohol.
Oh, did we not ask for
No, not with Bucks. That wasn't that bad.
Thank you so much. And hopefully this afternoon, remember we got bingo at 3:30. Thank you, boss.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. And
Oh shit, she brought some more.
Maestro.
Oh shit, she brought another round too.
I know that ain't right.
Oh, I don't know. You can table. I guess it's the rest of them.
No, that's it.
Oh, you give me one. Thank you.
Okay, order. Okay, another shot. Okay, we'll do this. We'll do another shot then. Let me get her. Let me go get her some money. Hold on. We all about to messed up. We got a whole nother round.
No problem. No problema. Ustedes están de vacaciones, disfruten.
Oh, these look like a little
You
bit
vacation, everybody.
vacation.
Oh, shit.
Grab the wine. Grab the wine.
Who else needs this? Yes, to try it.
I need one too.
Yeah, I'll put it right here.
Oh my gosh.
Mommy, everybody chat.
Okay. Everybody done ran away. Shit.
Everybody chat. Everybody chat.
Second and final. Come on. Second and final. Second and final. Got one.
Should have went to the kitchen. You just give it yourself.
That was hard. That shit was kind of
So now tomorrow, go to the kitchen at breakfast time.
Okay, but we got so much left.
I got some more anime shots.
Shot.
Oh, really? Oh, maybe they probably got this.
We got one. This is the second round.
Oh, are y'all gonna be so good for the celebration?
Probably not. It's okay. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Right. We got a couple hours. Okay.
I would have got pina colada if she comes.
Okay.
So tell her it's for me.
All right. We ready? All right. We already did one. Woo! I'm sorry. I'm late.
Me too. It's another shot.
Yeah, I'm done.
I want to know what this is. We don't even know what this is. I like
She said she got Tums. I got Robitussin
Sure you don't want to come with me?
and Zyrtec and Pepto.
don't even smell
So I get sick all the fucking time.
like
It does smell like it smell like rubbing alcohol. Sorry. I don't know. I'm gonna drink this shit then. Do you have a straw? Thank you.
Mucho gracias, señora.
Gracias, amigo. Gracias.
Yeah, baby, you gonna have to take them back. I can't do it. I can't do it again. Not again. I already did it. I can't do it again. Fuck it. I can't do it again. We'll save it for later.
I already took 1, 2, 3.
Looks good. Hi, we haven't met. Hi, I'm Kai. I'm Vicky. That's Donovan. That's my husband. I'm Maya Starbucks cousin. This is my cousin.
The best woman, the one with the red hair, is my cousin. That's Stephanie, the best woman.
Okay. What did you get last time? That strawberry look good. Is it sherbet or is it ice cream?
it's gelato.
Gelato. Okay, I like gelato. I want the strawberry. She said it's gelato. So it won't hurt my belly.
That's closest ice cream.
No, there's no dairy in there, so I'm okay with that. Yeah, I want the strawberry one. Gotta get in line. Okay. What did you get? What have you tried already?
Oh,
Like a
walnut
smoothie?
Nutella frappe. That was really good.
Oh, but that's like coffee, right?
Only a little bit. I don't really drink coffee.
I don't like coffee at all.
But it was like a frappe. That was good.
Okay, you got that yesterday, right?
No, I got it today.
Today.
I wanted to try it because I seen it on Snap and Snap, and I was like, what is that?
Trying to figure out what's going on. Trying to figure out what's going on.
What is that?
What you doing? I'm getting the strawberry one.
I have no idea.
They're over there. Go look at the. I like the strawberry one. Oh.
I'm making a frap. What kind of frap is that?
Chocolate
I
milkshake.
eat that.
Me neither. I believe you. I believe you. They're pretty awesome. Okay. Yes, perfect. Here, your tip. Thank you. Thank you.
What flavor is this one right here? Like right here.
Coffee float. What you getting?
Pistachio.
Pistachio.
Milkshake.
He's sick of us already. He's like, just taste. Just taste. Let me taste.
What is it?
Let me taste.
I don't know. I'll take that.
Oh, this is nasty.
I like it. What is that?
This is nasty.
He doesn't look impressed
don't
by
like
it.
It's not good. It's not that good. It does taste. That's what it looks like, a guava.
I'll take that.
That's not good, Dada. Okay, whatever. Yeah, it is. That's not Oreo.
Is it a rum thing? No, you know.
It do kind of taste like oats. That is what it tastes like. Oats.
Ice cream.
Oat milk. That's exactly what it tastes like. It tastes like oatmeal, like a brown sugar oatmeal. It do.
May I do a pistachio milkshake?
Fancy.
Fancy as fuck. On Dada. Put your thing here so I can.
Okay, that's banging.
That's it. It tastes like oats. That's what it's nasty.
That's good.
All right, y'all. We are wedding ready. Come, babe. Come do a fit check. This is my fit. Yes, it's the same shirt from earlier, but want to go a little bit more casual so I can do some of these numbers, you know. Some of those numbers, you know. So, it's dark in here. But this is what I got on. I was gonna put some heels on, but no. Alright, what you got, babe?
Oh, I got this button-up shirt.
Y'all, look at the rain. We just had the ceremony in there. Look at how disrespectful this rain. Y'all can't even see. Y'all can't even tell how disrespectful it is. So, it's cocktail hour. Well, we on our way to cocktail hour.
And we're getting wet here.
We're getting wet, but I just wanted to vlog that that ceremony was beautiful. You got my purse?
No.
Oh, I got it. Okay. Ceremony was beautiful. Having a great time. We had a great morning. About to have a good evening. Oh, look at how they set it up. That's beautiful.
It is nice.
Okay, we wasn't supposed to see that, but that's nice. So, yeah. I guess we're going to get like a drink.
Yeah.
I don't know. Something light. But it's too early. And then we'll catch y'all up.
Y'all see y'all later.
Thank you. Fancy. Damn, this shit's strong.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, the reason we're all here, please rise and let's blow the roof off this place as I present Mr. Jonathan and Mr. Stafford Rodriguez!
Fuck it up! Yes! Fuck it up! Fuck it up! Fuck it up! Fuck it up! Yeah! Fuck it up! Fuck! Hey! Hey! Yeah! Fuck! Oh, sorry. Yeah! Yeah! Yeah!
Let's not fucking worry about what's gonna happen in the future and everything else. And cheers to the next moment, whenever it'll be, and hopefully we're together when it happens. I love you guys.
Woo!
Now let's get drunk.
Ooh! Alright, babe, what you got?
Lobster tail. It look like a steak.
Steak? Yeah. Veggies, mashed potatoes.
touch me now. Sexy, crazy, wow.